to the rescue.
Debris coming down the river all day. Maitai River, Nelson.
Got a debris flow in action here. And a couple of big slips up on the hill there. Culvert's blocked. Got ourselves a river.
Maitai River that's completely breached its banks. Flooding on Niles Street, Clouston Terrace at the bottom of the hill, completely underwater.
Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. To stay up to date with all the latest news from the New Zealand Herald, click the subscribe button below or check out one of the videos here, and head over to nzherald.co.nz for more details on these stories and more.